Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Mr. Sweat Boy. So in this video, I'm gonna play with my friend Aradhya.
Hi.
We both are gonna play 2 matches, and in that we are gonna use fishing loot only. Yeah. So we'll ready up. So there is many fishing holes over here. Where will we go?
Once we will get on the spawn island.
Spawn Island? Okay. Yeah. Let's go over here.
Where here? There, here, there.
Check in the map.
Subscribe to Mr. Sweat Boys and like this video, subscribe and share this video
Thank you, bro.
and enjoy.
Oh,
This is our first video, so
where did this guy break? Oh, it's you.
our exam
thought-
just got over. So
Yeah.
that's why we are uploading now, or else we would have uploaded our first videos
Yeah.
so early. So right now I'm enjoying my time.
When will it start? Okay, 25 seconds remaining.
See this? Whee! See this? You can't do this.
I can, bro. I have. I'm having all the battle pass from chapter 2 season
Dude,
5.
your
bro.
hand
What?
looks like noodles.
My hand. What? Oh, yeah.
Your hand looks like noodles.
Yeah.
Whenever you do this emote.
Okay. Let's go to my mark.
Oh yeah, fishing island.
Yeah.
We should call the fish island.
Fish Island. There's a Heart Island. Heart Island. You know
The
that?
mothership is so broken.
Yeah.
Like literally broken.
It's like smoke, air pollution,
Yeah.
air pollution and water pollution.
Yeah, double in one. But we can't go till there or there or there.
Yeah.
I really want to go.
Even the
till all of
foundation came. The foundation is alive.
The foundation plan failed. They wanted to destroy all the aliens, but they accidentally created zombies.
Oh my god, 2 people are coming over here.
Oh shoot, we have to protect them.
Yeah. Directly go to this
Oh,
house.
I need a harpoon.
Oh,
but
they are not
harpoon-
going. They are not going to this island. They are going somewhere else. I mean, they are going to Catty. I mean, Craggy.
Yari 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 yari.
What's that weapon?
Look guys.
Oh, I can't
need
use
a-
this weapon.
Just for XP and
I was always gonna take that weapon. You can take any healables,
here's a
okay?
healing item.
Hmm. Okay, healables. Wait, we can't use these healables. We can only use the fish. Oh, pro fishing rod. I'm lucky. Spicy fish. No. Use some fishes.
So I need a fishing rod.
Yeah, I can help you get some. Oh, I got a blue
Crow.
Oh my god.
Ah,
Purple crow. This is a shadow flopper. Oh,
There
a
is
blue
shark. Do you
air
want to kill
finally.
it?
Shark? No, we
Yeah,
can't.
do you want to kill it?
By fishing only, right?
Yes, fishing guns. So right now you only have guns and I can use my boat.
Oh my
stuff.
god, I have 6.
Why can't I find one?
Okay, I
One
finally
fishing
got
rod.
this. Okay, I can help you. I can help you kill this one.
Hey, I got XP.
I will give you the next loot which I get from the get by fishing. I'll show you one thing. No.
Wait, I'll just go to this area, get a fishing rod and go. Come back.
Yay! Look at me,
I'm
bro.
where?
Look at me, bro. Where are you?
Because there is a person.
You are in Crafty.
Run.
What?
I'm searching in for a fishing rod. But
Look
I
at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
I can't see you. Sorry.
I'm in the shark.
Stop flexing.
Let's race to the zone. Let's race to the zone. Come on. Oh my god, it can jump. Oh. I can dodge your shots.
When I will be able to hit your shark?
Ooh. I'm so lucky. I'm like dodging it. Bro, I think you can't damage the shark because it's mine.
Wait,
I mean,
just
it's
kill
your
this guy
teammates, right?
with boat.
I will kill him, no problem.
Kill
Where's
him
that
with
guy?
my
Where's
boat.
that guy? Where's that guy?
I killed that guy with my boat.
You killed him? Nice. Oh my god. Yeah, bruh. Oh my god, I thought I got damaged. But I didn't. Oh, someone's near me,
Come on, bro.
I'm just like killing the shark.
Can you just give me one of your weapons?
Yeah. You can take the shark loot. It's from water itself, right?
Yeah, end of the day.
What is that?
Just give me one weapon. It still
You
will
are
also.
like a bit unlucky.
What did you get, a hog?
Nope. Rocket launcher.
What was that?
That's a rocket launcher, bro. So sad.
Oh, come on. Do you have any rocket ammo?
Nah. Do you have AR ammo?
Yeah, I loads. No, I am only SMG.
Not SMG.
I have shotgun ammo also.
Yeah, give me shotgun ammo. Yeah. Enough. Okay. Let's go away from that caretaker.
We can't kill it. That's the problem.
Yeah. We can kill it, but we can't take his loot.
What did you get?
That.
The shield fish. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You can get it if you want.
Right now, a pistol will also work.
Oh.
What if I just throw a weapon in the water and pick it up from the water? Then it will be from water weapon.
Oh yeah, that's true.
But it will be cheating also.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to open that closet, just so not lucky.
Another one. Okay, I have an idea. I will fish for you, and you take the weapons.
Can you give
Weapons
me
of
your fishing rod?
bro. Oh, someone.
Where is he?
I don't know. Sit in the bush. No, 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 no. We should not sit in the bush. Should go to zone.
Please tell me that's a fishing rod bowl. Yes! Yes, finally found my harpoon gun. Let's go.
Harpoon.
More the
Okay,
merrier. I'll just carry this fishing rod also.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You take this this one. You take this and come to me. Fast. Oh, grappler. I wish I could get
I
the
really
grappler.
wanted to use it.
Yeah, even me too.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go near the water.
Let's go third party then. Yeah.
No, I don't have any weapons.
Bro, you have the this thing.
Okay,
my
there is
god,
a
oh my god,
fishing pole. I will just use it.
23. Oh my god.
This is my only luck right now.
Knocked one. Oh my god, oh my god. Ooh.
Bubble pump. I'm coming.
Bubble
coming.
pump? Oh my god, very nice. I use the
coming,
shadow
I'm coming,
flopper.
I have even
Don't come to me. Don't come to me. Go somewhere else. Come here. Oh my god, thank god I have
heals for
the
you.
shadow flopper.
But-
Come.
And I even have a shadow flopper.
Nice. Thank god I carried the shadow flopper. Otherwise I would have died now.
I wanted to go to the supply drop, but
We can. Oh no, nothing. I need AR ammo. Yeah, AR ammo finally.
oh.
Give me the heals. Okay, where? Okay.
Meat.
Only this.
Take a shadow cube. I will just eat the flopper.
I meant this.
Oh my god.
Can we survive this? Oh, AR ammo more.
Come to me. Let's go near a river. Oh great.
We need a fishing lake, something. Oh my god. People over here. Can you carry?
Killed one.
Nice. I need health. I need help. Oh. I need help.
First pump kill. I
Pump
have
kill.
2 kills. One by my boat. I killed him.
Wait, I killed one guy. Oh my
The
god.
person is gliding to us, I think.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No. Knocked him. Kill this guy. Kill this last guy. You can.
Dude, you didn't tell me. You didn't crack him or else you would be dead.
Bro. Yeah,
First match is
I didn't
end.
have any like heals. I mean shield. That's why. He had 3 kunais. Okay, ready up once more. The last match of this video. He was like RPG'd again.
Into bliss.
That was the funniest part ever. He RPG'd himself.
Sorry. At the end moment, I got the purple pump.
Yeah. This
Or
time
else I would be
let's
dead.
try like let's go like where will we go?
Wait, I'll just come.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah. Okay. This time, we will go to the same place itself.
This time, let's go to Sloppy Farm.
Slurpee Swamp. Where can we? Yeah. We can fish.
And the name can literally tell everything. Sloppy Swamp.
Oh my God! 2 people are coming. Oh, yeah. This is a hot drop, bro. You said the hot drop.
And that's why we'll go over here.
Yeah, I always go over here.
And if anybody comes, I'll just use the turret.
Turret? You can't.
Turret.
You can only use from the water.
It's near the water, so
That doesn't matter. Like that. Oh my God.
fishing rod is here. Wait, I have a
That's a
brilliant
kunai.
idea.
Hey, what did you just do?
do?
Hey, we need this thing. Launch pad. I mean, this thing.
Fishing rod.
Yeah, fishing rod.
Chug splashes. Can we use the chug splashes?
Yeah. I finished all the chug splashes over here. Bro. Hey, 1 minute. Let me check. Do we have this over here? No.
No,
Before the Wolverine was here.
Yeah, I missed that guy.
Yeah. Even I like it.
Oh my God! Look at my luck, but I can't use it.
Why? You didn't
Challenge.
find. You.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my God! You found it in the chest?
Yeah,
Oh my God! So unlucky.
man.
Don't worry, bro.
If it would have came at the early times, it would be so easy for me to win.
Bro.
The
Even
sniper and shotgun, both.
So unlucky. So unlucky.
Man, you are kidding me this time.
What?
Look
Really?
at that, bro.
You are getting like more than like the.
Normal stuff.
Yeah.
I thought that was an alien 980.
Alien 998, sir.
Hey,
It
alien
went, bro. Now it won't come anymore. Bro, we
Wow.
can't get weapons. So, oh yeah. Oh my God! I just said we can't get weapons
Hey,
from the
I got
water.
a shadow flopper from a chest.
Just but still you can't use it.
What? It's a fish.
No, bro. You should fish and get a fish.
I right now just have a rusty can for my defense.
Huh? Oh my God.
Can I use fire against our opponent?
No, bro. It should be like you should fish and get a fire, but you
Yeah,
can't
fire
get it.
will come out of water. As it.
Oh my God. But
Electricity can make sense, but fire,
what?
as a fire will come out from water in Fortnite.
um, no. Why don't I get the?
I have only one option left to use a fishing rod.
There is a gun near me.
Oh no, you're dead. Hey, wait,
But I
can
have
just
a
use the
blue
truck to crush people.
SMG.
I will just use the truck to crush people.
Okay, I killed this guy. This guy is the best bot ever. And this guy also. And
You have
I killed 3 guys. Oh my god, I'm so unlucky.
I know, right? It's not normal.
We are so unlucky in this game.
All the moment when we start the challenge, this happens to us. Come on, Epic Games.
Please help us.
Yes, found fishing rods.
Oh, okay. I thought you got a good weapon from fishing.
Boom. I got 2 fishing rods. Want one?
I already have a fishing rod.
2 fishing rods means 2 good weapons.
2 good weapons?
Hey, I got a shadow flopper at my first fish.
Bro, I didn't get any guns. I mean, like, I got a SMG, but I got a, like...
SMG
Oh, that's
is
not
good,
a-
bro. Come on.
I know,
You
SMG
can't
is
say
good.
no to SMG.
Oh, someone was knocked. I killed that guy now. Okay, okay. I'm so sad
Why?
because we got very good weapon.
Wait, there is a very less chance to get a grey assault rifle from no pawns of fishing.
Bro.
I'm just going to do that.
Yeah, I think it's higher than blue rarity.
Yeah.
Because in oh my god, pump. Let me try like
I'm going to spend my whole match just
oh my
fishing.
god, I just fished the dinosaur. Oh my god, the
Wow.
dinosaur is killing me. No way. Oh my god. Ah. Oh. I am away from the dinosaur. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought someone was shooting. Oh my god, someone is shooting. Bro, come to me. Oh my god. Oh my
We will
god.
die,
I am
but I will
scared.
also die together.
We both will die together. Oh my god, what a pity.
When people will see this video, they will say like, this is not a Fortnite video, this is a singing video.
Oh my god. I'm so unlucky. My favorite
Fishing pods.
oh okay, I thought like
Flopper.
oh
Ah, come on.
slurpfish.
Here, have this.
Come here. Oh my god. Oh my god, one guy is here. What will we do? Oh my god, one guy is
I'll
here.
just fix a weapon, I guess. Not working.
Yes, I got it.
What? Come on, man.
Oh my god, you use it. This also.
I will just hit.
We should go to zone. Bro, I am only having one weapon.
I'm having a
One guy's
bloody
here,
can.
one guy's here.
Escape.
I think that guy's a bot.
Oh, great.
Let's go kill him. Come.
You should look on your map. Where am I and where are you?
Wha- Okay, that guy is fighting someone else. Let's go.
Just come meet a shadow flopper and come.
Oh yeah, that's true. Shadow flopper. Oh. I came through the tree. Through.
Oh, P90, P90.
Oh, so lucky.
When wolves are chasing me, then only I got a P90.
So lucky.
Knew it. Some songs will give me the luck.
Again, blue SMG,
Shadow flopper, you want?
which I had at the start. Hello,
Yes,
world.
P90.
Wait,
I'll
1 minute.
trade my P90 for your SMG.
Yeah,
Both are from the
course.
water.
wait 1 minute. Oh my gosh.
And yeah, we can't upgrade our stuff, okay? We can't upgrade it.
Yeah. Okay. My video is gonna be off.
Right, let's do this, boys. What we should do?
Now
Imagine
we
we
will
do
use
this whole
the zip
video.
line.
Imagine we do this whole
Can we
video
trade
and-
the P90?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. Come to me.
Nope, but you have to come at the top of the world.
Top
And
of the
then
world.
fish.
Ah.
I challenge you to fish a purple pump, then only I will give you my P90.
You need a purple pump for a
Oh my god, I got a gold pump.
gold pump. Sure.
Wait, let me just finish this fish. Oh, blue pump.
Oh, a blue pump. Give me.
You can just have that.
Show the
I
purple
have
pump.
this.
Can we trade it?
Oh, sorry,
No?
not the gold pump. I can trade you the P90,
Yeah.
but not the gold pump. Sorry.
Yeah, okay. The P90.
Give me
At
your
least that. You're so lucky in this game.
Drop. Drop it.
Drop? Oh, I should drop. Okay. Thank you.
I'll just fish another one. I want
Oh.
a slug fish.
Wait, I also got a slurp fish.
I got a purple pump at the last match, but and now I got
A guy.
gold pump.
Oh.
Even bird.
Oh my god.
That's right.
Oh my god.
One kill.
One pump. Nice.
One for you and one for me.
What? Oh, thank you.
Can I use the grappler? I'm not using as the weapon.
You can't. Oh, back of me also. I don't have a let's use the launch pad.
Do you have a launch pad?
Yeah. Let's use it. Bro, hello?
Yeah.
Let's use the launch pad.
Of course, come.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Drop it out, drop it. Man, go. Come to me, come to me.
Killed one guy. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Come to me, come to me. No, no, no. Killed him. Oh, he had an epic scar. No. Someone. Oh my god. Do you have shield? People. Oh my god, I'm dead. I used the launch pad. Come to me. Oh my god. How did you die?
That guy.
Did you at least crack him? Oh my
That
god.
guy won't believe that I got those weapons with just fishing.
Yeah. I need some health. Oh my god, I didn't get any health giving fish.
You can't reboot me out here, so better don't reboot me. You are risking your own life also.
What will I do now? I don't have any place for like, oh yeah, there is a place.
Oh my god.
Bro, I'm only getting the shadow flopper. Bro, 3 shadow floppers in a row.
Get it? There
Oh my
was
god,
no
4 shadow floppers in a row.
floppers.
Oh my god. Should go,
Eat it.
should go.
Take some shadow flopper.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the zone does 5 damage per second.
Yeah. Is there people? Oh yeah, there is.
Take my gold pump. Go and take my gold
Oh
pump.
yeah. Okay. Thank God you had the gold pump. Did take it?
I don't know.
Oh my god. That's the first question.
Oh no, you're the only target left.
Oh my god. I'm
And
dead.
those guys are sweats, bro. I have slurp fish, I think.
No, they took your gold pump. There is no way, so I'm gonna use this.
Just throw it in the water and use it then.
Oh my god, someone's coming to me. They found me. Right?
Just go near them. You are a shadow. They won't be able to find you.
Bro, they found me. That's. Oh my god. Oh. No.
No.
He had an epic charge, bro. No.
This was the guy who I cracked him.
Shit. Okay. So, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Bye.